13 Alarming signs of poor blood circulation in your body. Blood circulation is a critical function of the human body. It delivers oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to all the tissues and organs, helping them function properly. Good blood circulation is essential for maintaining overall health and wellness. However, when blood circulation is poor, it can lead to several alarming health problems. Poor blood circulation can be caused by various factors such as obesity, smoking, lack of physical activity, and certain medical conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. It can lead to a decrease in the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the body, leading to a range of symptoms and health problems. It is important to be aware of the signs of poor blood circulation to seek medical attention as soon as possible. In this article, we will discuss 13 alarming signs of poor blood circulation in the body, including cold feet and hands, tingling and numbness, swelling, fatigue, and more. 1. Cold feet and hands. Poor blood circulation can cause a decrease in blood flow to the extremities, leading to cold hands and feet. This occurs because the blood vessels in these areas constrict to conserve heat, reducing the amount of blood that reaches the skin. A study conducted by the University of Michigan Health System found that individuals with peripheral artery disease, PAD, which is a condition caused by poor circulation, had a higher likelihood of experiencing cold feet and hands. 2. Tingling and numbness. Tingling and numbness in the hands, feet, and legs can occur when the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the nerves is reduced due to poor circulation. A study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System found that poor circulation in the legs and feet can lead to peripheral neuropathy, which is characterized by tingling, numbness, and muscle weakness. 3. Swelling. Poor circulation can cause fluid to accumulate in the legs, ankles, and feet, leading to swelling. A study published in the Journal of Vascular Surgery found that individuals with PAD had a higher likelihood of experiencing swelling in the legs due to poor circulation. 4. Fatigue. Poor circulation can cause a decrease in the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the body, leading to fatigue and low energy levels. A study conducted by the University of Alabama at Birmingham found that individuals with PAD had a higher likelihood of experiencing fatigue due to the reduced blood flow to the muscles. 5. Slow wound healing. Poor circulation can slow down the healing process of wounds as the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the affected area is reduced. A study published in the Journal of Wound Care found that individuals with poor circulation had a higher likelihood of experiencing slow wound healing and an increased risk of infection. 6. Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's disease is a condition that occurs when the blood vessels in the hands and feet narrow, restricting blood flow and leading to coldness and numbness. A study conducted by the University of Pittsburgh found that individuals with Raynaud's disease had a decreased blood flow to the hands and feet, which can lead to other symptoms such as tingling, pain, and muscle weakness. 7. Varicose veins. Varicose veins occur when the blood flow in the veins is not sufficient to pump blood back to the heart, leading to the accumulation of blood in the veins. A study published in the Journal of Vascular Surgery found that individuals with varicose veins had a higher likelihood of experiencing poor circulation and increased swelling in the legs. 8. Nail changes. Poor circulation can lead to changes in the appearance of the nails, such as brittle nails, slow nail growth, and dark streaks. A study conducted by the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that individuals with poor circulation had a higher likelihood of experiencing nail changes due to the reduced supply of oxygen and nutrients to the nails. 9. Muscle weakness. Poor circulation can lead to muscle weakness, particularly in the legs, as the muscles are not getting enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. A study conducted by the University of Alabama at Birmingham found that individuals with PAD had a higher likelihood of experiencing muscle weakness due to reduced blood flow to the muscles. 10. Chest pain. Chest pain can occur when there is poor circulation to the heart, leading to a decrease in the supply of oxygen to the heart muscle. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that individuals with poor circulation to the heart had a higher likelihood of experiencing chest pain due to the decreased blood flow. 11. Shortness of breath. Poor circulation can cause a decrease in the supply of oxygen to the lungs, leading to shortness of breath. A study conducted by the American Thoracic Society found that individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, had a higher likelihood of experiencing shortness of breath due to poor circulation in the lungs. 12. Dizziness and fainting. Poor circulation can cause a decrease in the supply of oxygen to the brain, leading to dizziness and fainting. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that individuals with orthostatic hypotension, which is a condition characterized by a drop in blood pressure when standing up, had a higher likelihood of experiencing dizziness and fainting due to poor circulation. 13. Poor mental functioning. Poor circulation can cause a decrease in the supply of oxygen to the brain, leading to poor mental functioning, including memory loss and decreased cognitive abilities. A study conducted by the University of Alabama at Birmingham found that individuals with PAD had a higher likelihood of experiencing poor mental functioning due to reduced blood flow to the brain. What are the causes of poor blood circulation? Several factors can contribute to poor blood circulation, including inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle and lack of physical activity can cause poor blood circulation. When the body is inactive, the blood tends to flow less efficiently, leading to poor circulation. Obesity. Excess weight can put a strain on the circulatory system, leading to poor blood circulation. This is because extra weight puts pressure on the veins and arteries, making it more difficult for blood to flow freely. Smoking. Smoking is a major contributor to poor circulation. The chemicals in cigarette smoke can damage the walls of the blood vessels, making it more difficult for blood to flow freely. High blood pressure. High blood pressure can cause damage to the blood vessels, leading to poor circulation. Diabetes. Diabetes can cause damage to the blood vessels, leading to poor circulation. This is because high blood sugar levels can damage the walls of the blood vessels, making it more difficult for blood to flow freely. Cardiovascular disease. Conditions such as heart disease and stroke can cause damage to the blood vessels, leading to poor circulation. Peripheral artery disease. PAD is a condition in which the blood vessels in the legs become narrow and clogged, leading to poor circulation in the legs. Varicose veins. Varicose veins are swollen, twisted veins that can cause poor circulation in the legs. Deep vein thrombosis. DVT is a condition in which blood clots form in the deep veins of the legs, leading to poor circulation. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. COPD is a lung disease that can cause poor circulation in the lungs. Improved blood circulation. Improving blood circulation is crucial for maintaining overall health and wellness. Here are some ways to improve blood circulation. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help improve circulation by getting the blood flowing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major contributor to poor circulation. Quitting smoking can help improve circulation and reduce the risk of developing health problems associated with poor circulation. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put a strain on the circulatory system, leading to poor blood circulation. Maintaining a healthy weight can help improve circulation and reduce the risk of developing health problems associated with poor circulation. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve circulation. Avoid foods that are high in saturated fat, trans fat, and salt, which can contribute to poor circulation. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated can help improve circulation by keeping the blood flowing. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Elevate your feet. Elevating your feet can help improve circulation in the legs. Try to elevate your feet for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, several times a day. Massage. Massaging the affected areas can help improve circulation by getting the blood flowing. A massage therapist can recommend specific techniques for improving circulation. Wear compression stockings. Wearing compression stockings can help improve circulation by promoting blood flow in the legs. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to poor circulation. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and meditation, can help improve circulation by reducing stress levels. In conclusion, Poor blood circulation is a serious health concern that can lead to a range of symptoms and health problems. Understanding the warning signs of poor circulation and the factors that contribute to it is crucial for maintaining overall health and wellness. If you are experiencing any of the alarming signs of poor blood circulation, it is important to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent the development of more serious health problems and improve quality of life. By taking steps to maintain a healthy lifestyle, such as exercising regularly, eating a nutritious diet, and avoiding smoking, you can help improve blood circulation and maintain optimal health.